Hey, good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, Lifern. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be doing something completely different than what I've been doing. Well, sorta, kinda. I'm going to do a review on my first taste test of the newest addition to the Liquid IV family, which is Steve Aoki's strawberry cake. If you haven't heard already, they came out with the newest flavor, which is strawberry cake. It was a little collaboration that they did. I guess Steve Aoki invited Brandon Cohen, who's the founder of Liquid IV, to an epic birthday party in November of 2019. And I guess Steve Aoki is really known for throwing cake at his fans. They decided to collaborate on making a flavor, and this is going to be my little taste test. If you guys don't already know, I'm a big fan of Liquid IV. I take it daily. What is Liquid IV? So let me just go ahead and let you guys know what Liquid IV is. It provides 2 to 3 more times hydration than water alone. It uses this cellular transport technology, or CTT as we know it. I'm just reading off their website right here. Typically, when you drink fluids, they pass through the entire digestive system, losing water and other nutrients before your body can absorb it. So, nice ratio of sodium, glucose, and potassium to create an osmotic force that allows water and other ingredients to be delivered to the bloodstream earlier on the digestive system. It keeps you hydrated. Like I said, I take it every day, right before work, or even without work. Yeah, so take it every day. So let's open this baby, shall we? One stick and 16 ounces of water is what you need. So I have my little water bottle here. Just a refill, guys. Don't worry, it's not the actual juice brand. Grab one of these babies up. It smells like strawberry cake. That is so sweet. Whew, I don't know. It kind of smells like those little pixie sticks from when we were little. All right, let's pour this baby in. First impressions, it smells completely like strawberry cake. I haven't eaten breakfast yet or anything, so it's like having, I guess, dessert before breakfast. And that consistency, I guess. Taste test. It tastes like candy. I like it. Good job. It's it reminds me of like those little like pixie sticks when we were little. We'd get them, you know. That's the closest. I can't think of anything else. Or maybe like this those dipping candy things where like it's like a white stick and then you put it in like powder. It's almost like that. That's the way it tastes. I like it. I mean, I have no qualms about it. I think it's just a different taste. So if you like something sweet, go for that. I usually also go for, this is the one I usually go for. So this is the lemon lime version. If you just want something that's really refreshing, I suggest you go for something simple like this. Or if you want a little bit more sweetness, there's also the passion fruit. Again, I just tried this one. Would I get this again? Yes, I would, because it's more like having a dessert. I wouldn't drink it first thing in the morning though. Again, I love dessert, but I think it's just a tad bit sweet for my liking first thing in the morning. But otherwise, this is really good. Go ahead and grab some from Amazon or their actual website. I know the Liquid IV is offering 20% off right now from your for all purchases. Cheers. Comment, subscribe down below. Thanks.